Hi, අද අපි කතා කරන්න යන්නේ Fujifilm එකෙන් අලුතෙන්ම introduce කරපු second generation portable printer එක ගැන. මේක use කරන්න අපිට INSTAX mini film packs උනේ. So let's just dive into it. So this device comes in 3 colors. One is clay white, the other one is black, and this is the pink. Okay, so this is the pink unit we've got here. මේ තියෙන්නේ ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ INSTAX logo එක, and this also doubles as their power button. So let's just click. And it just turned on. So මේ device එක normally 1.5 hours වගේ charge කරන්න ඕනේ, and it'll help you to take about 100 shots out of this. Normally පින්තූරයක් ගත්තම it takes about 2 seconds to take the picture and about 1.5 minutes for your image to be completely clear and dry. දැන් අපි මේකට film pack එක insert කරලා බලමු. So මේ film pack එකේ තියෙන මේ yellow mark එක මේකට match කරලා ඔයගලන්ට super easily මේක insert කරගන්න පුළුවන්. And just like that. Close කරා. මේ තියෙන්නේ දැන් අපේ film එක open වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. මට ඔයගලන්ට ඉස්සෙල්ලා කියන්න අමතක වුණා. මේ device එක ඔයගලන්ට charge කරන්න තියෙන්නේ මේ තියෙන micro USB cable එකත් එක්ක. So once you actually insert the film pack, make sure you keep it closed at all times and do not open and close it, just because it will get exposed and the colors wouldn't be so accurate. මේ portable print එක ඔයගලන්ට use කරන්න පුළුවන් ඔයගලන්ගේ phone එකට connect කරලා. මේක ඔයගලන් මේ phone එකට connect කරගන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ ඔයගලන්ට mini link කියන app එක phone එකේ download කරගත්තායින් පස්සේ. So once you actually do it, go to mini link, connect the camera via Bluetooth, and then you will be able to see all your images and other features. So ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ මේ screen එකේ තියෙන print mode එක ඔයගොල්ලන්ට change කරන්න පුළුවන් මේ portable device එකේ orientation එක මාරු කරාම. So for example, now we changed your mode and it goes back to the other mode. Okay, now let's print a photo. It's super easy. You just go to your simple prints and then you can have all your moments here. And you select it, we go to pictures, let's select this, okay, perfect. Now you can zoom in, you can zoom out. So you could basically personalize it, customize it just the way you want it. Ona දෙයක් ලියන්න පුළුවන්, ඕන sticker එකක් add කරන්න පුළුවන්. So for example, let's just add a little heart to this picture. And also you could even add a filter. So filter එකක් ඕන උනත් මේ ගත්ත photo එකකට උනත් ඔයගලන්ට filter එකක් add කරලා මේකෙන් print කරන්න පුළුවන්. So filter එකට පස්සේ ඔයගලන්ට color correction option එකක් තියෙනවා, meaning brightness අඩු කරන්න පුළුවන්, වැඩි කරන්න පුළුවන්, contrast අඩු කරන්න පුළුවන්, වැඩි කරන්න පුළුවන්, saturation එක අඩු කරන්න පුළුවන්, වැඩි කරන්න පුළුවන්. So you can do all these things within the app as well. And if you want to put a frame to your picture, you can actually select it from this corner over here. It got something called frame print. ඒක click කරාම ඔයගලන්ට ඕන frame එකක් ඔයගලගේ picture එකට select කරන්න පුළුවන්. So let's just print this. So මේ portable printer එකේ තියෙන නැත්නම් මේ app එකේ තියෙන තව feature එකක් තමයි INSTAX Air. Once you go to INSTAX Air, there's about 5 features, fun features that you could add to your photo. ඒක මෙන්න මේ circle එක ඔයගොල්ලෝ click කරාම අපිට spray paint කරන්න පුළුවන්, petals දාන්න පුළුවන් photo එකකට. නැත්නම් අපිට neon light එකකින් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට draw කරන්න පුළුවන්. It could be either done on the camera or for the neon light, just to keep the fun element going. අපිට මේ device එක on කරලා අපිට මේකෙනුත් laser drawings create කරන්න පුළුවන්. So I'm using somebody else to do this feature. හැබැයි මේක ඔයගලන්ට phone එක අතේ තියාගෙන තියෙන photo ඔයගලන් ගන්නකොට උනත් ඔයගලන්ට photo එක අරගෙන ඉවරලා අතින් උනත් මේක කරන්න පුළුවන්. So if you press it harder, it's going to create a thicker line. If you press it lighter, it's going to create a small line. Now just imagine you just want to send like a little video clip to someone. There's a way to do it with this one. So what you do is, so for example, mama make a video clip එකක් ගන්නවා අපේ අද video කරන මල්ලිගේ. So මේ ඉන්නේ, his name is Taridu. We are going to take a video of him. Hi Taridu. Can you smile a little please? Alright, so now we stop it and we can select a moment from this. For example, let's say this is what we're going to select. Well, let's see. We can select it, we could cut it, And then මේ තියෙන QR code එක අපි print කරාම අපි මේකෙන් photo එකක් print කරලා ගත්තාන් පස්සේ ඒ QR code එක ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඕන කෙනෙකුට යවම ඒක scan කරාම ඒගොල්ලන්ට මේ video clip එක බලන්නත් පුළුවන්. So this is the picture I took of our video Tarindu. And then what we can do is we can see the complete video by scanning. So we have the video here. So there you have it. So you could actually keep this as a perfect memory. So we can always share this with your loved ones. So මේකේ තියෙන තවත් fun feature එකක් තමයි මේ app එකේ තියෙන match test කියන feature එක. So basically what this does is it's basically checking your compatibility with a friend or one of your loved ones that you want to check your compatibility with. So let's just play that match test. So you could either take picture together or you could also take pictures separately and combine them together. So for example, I'm gonna shoot it with taking 2 photos and then I'm just gonna use the camera roll. I'm gonna choose my picture and I'm gonna put my face and let's just put my husband's face to this. So I've got my husband here, I've got myself here and we're just gonna do next. Alright, so overall, this is just a fun portable printer product. It's a printer only. Negative camera in there. You have to just connect it with your phone. Almost very similar to the size of your phone. So basically capture an image from your phone and edit it, retouch it, put a filter to it, add stickers to it, keep it fun and print it and hang it on your wall or give it to a loved one. That's all you can do with this printer and I think it's a really cool, cute gadget to have if you're traveling and if you like to keep memories and like share and collect memories. This is such a cool device to have. And if you'd like to purchase one of these beauties, just log into www.cameralk.com or visit to any of our branches in Colombo, MC or Kandy. Until I see you next time, oh, the compatibility rate is 92%.